Hello, guys. My name is Shweta. I attended the Unleash the Power Within workshop with Naresh sir on the 8th of May 2022, and it was a very overwhelming and a very enriching experience for me because I have never come across a trainer who thinks about us before he thinks about himself. And I'm not just saying this for the heck of it. From the moment we enter the training room till the time we stepped out of the room, he was, his only goal in that entire time was to, how will my participants benefit out of this. So the whole program is designed in such a way where it's so engaging that you don't get bored even for a single moment. It's so informative. There's so much to learn, with a lot of fun activities and a lot of inspirational videos. The way he keeps asking you throughout whether we are not getting stuck somewhere, or are we understanding, or is there something that we didn't get. So it's really really nice to do such workshops, and I am really really grateful that I got this opportunity to do this workshop with sir. So thank you a lot, sir. A lot of gratitude to you, and I hope I can attend many more such trainings with you. Thank you so much.